Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anastasia Silviani with NPM 305.
My name is Rahmadaniati with NPM 306.
My name is Nawati Santika with NPM 307.
My name is Alega Distia with NPM 308.
My name is Anastasia Silviani and I will be your interviewer for today. So, Rahma, tell me about yourself.
My name is Rahmadaniati and I'm a graduate of SMK Taruna Terpadu 1, majoring in broadcasting and currently an active student at Pakuan University, majoring in management. Although my majors at the school and the college are not in the line, but I really interest of marketing.
What is your greatest strength?
One of my strengths is my time management skill. I organize my time as much as possible. I understand the position I'm applying for will be doing a lot of product promotion to increase sales in a time. There are many competitors and I think my time management skill will be needed to reduce and advertise.
What is your greatest weakness?
I'm actually a difficult person to get along with. I realized that I have to improve this, so I joined a public speaking class. The class was very enjoyable and helped me improve my weakness.
Why should we hire you?
I have the appropriate competencies that make me the right candidate for this position. Having a career in this field has been my passion for a long time. I will give my best if I can join this position.
What are your salary expectations?
Based on my research and considering my competency and skill, I propose compensation in range 6 million rupiah to 10 million rupiah. I hope you will consider it.
Why do you want this job?
Because I have skill in marketing and experience in the creative industry, I think I'm suitable for this position. In addition, the work culture here is very good.
How do you handle stress and pressure?
I control stress by managing my time and priorities well, taking short breaks and light exercise, communicating openly with my team and finding solution together, and maintaining a balance between work and personal life.
So next is Nala. Tell me about yourself now.
Well, Mrs. Tatsu, thank you for the opportunity to introduce. My name is Nawati Santika. I graduated from Pakuan University, Bogor, Management Department. During my college experience, I actively participated in organizational activities in the Management Student Association. With the position as General Counsel, I have the ability to operate Excel and coursework, to manage finance, and to make financial report.
What is your greatest strength?
My strength is having good time management. I'm used to prioritizing with work comes first and which can be the later. In addition, I have a serious work attitude, a high sense of responsibility, good communication skill, and have the intention to improve my skill in this company.
What is your greatest weakness?
Okay, Mrs., let me tell you, sometimes I get too obsessive about the small detail that can take more time to complete the task. However, I always try to ensure that my work remains effective and that I can complete my work within the deadline.
Tell me why should we hire you?
The logistic admin position requires someone who can manage multi-tasks simultaneously and ensure everything runs smoothly on schedule. I have good time management and multitasking skill as proven by my experience in college.
What are your salary expectations?
And certainly when you get an right salary by looking at my competition and skill, I expect an focus compensation in the rate of 7 to 10 million. I hope you will consider.
Why do you want this job?
I have strong skill in administration and attention to detail. As a logistic admin, I am confident in ensuring that all logistic documents and processes are recorded accurately and efficiently.
How do you handle stress and pressure?
When I feel stressed, I usually take a short break while listening to music. It helps me relax my mind and get back to work, my focus and calm.
So next is Alda, right? Tell me about yourself, Alda.
My name is Alda Distia Resepi, and I would like to thank you for the opportunity to interview me at your company today. I have recently graduated from college with a qualification in business management. During my time at college, I learned the important values of discipline, maintaining high standards in the pursuit of success. If I'm lucky to join your company, I'm committed to building a long-term career in here. My goal is to be a reliable and trustworthy worker who consistently adds value and support day-to-day operation.
What is your greatest strength?
My greatest strength is my ability to excel in highly pressurized situations. I have found creative ways to keep calm when working under pressure, for example, organizing my work more efficiently and getting the most important work done during the times I'm most productive.
What is your greatest weakness?
I multitask too much. I was too distracted, and doing 2 or 3 tasks at once decreased my productivity. I've been minding how I work ever since, and I make sure to always define and prioritize all my tasks. Now, instead of juggling several at the same time, I try to go through them and solve them one by one based on priority.
Can you tell me why should we hire you?
As a fresh graduate, I know that I may not have as much experience as others candidates. However, what I lack in experience, I make up for with my enthusiasm and ingenious too. I'm very confident that I can prove myself as a person with very competent management. In my studies, I learned how to utilize the core principle of this field. I have a high interest in this position, and I'm ready to put the knowledge into action with your help.
Why do you want this job?
I would like to know more about my responsibilities in this position so that I can give more accurate insights.
Why do you want this job?
I'm attracted to this job because it offers ton of opportunities. The first opportunity is job that help me to find my way for a long-term career, which is something that is the most important in my life. The second, your company is leading the industry and has excellent reputation. Working with a good company like yours has always been mentioned.
How do you handle stress and pressure?
I take a few deep breaths and step away from work to clear my head. This will help to re-energize and refocus on the methods. If I'm still not focused, I will communicate openly and honestly with my boss or team members. My work this allows us to work together find solution to problems that might arise. Thank you for the time and opportunity. I look forward to hearing good news from you soon.
Okay, next is Tasya. Tell me about yourself.
My name is Anastasia Silviani and I am a management student at Pakuan University, currently in my third year. I have a GPA of 3.07 and have taken courses such as marketing management. I have organizational experience as the head of creative media design and as a secretariat divisions coordinator. My skills include project management, data processing, and document management. I am passionate about project management and administration, and I am looking to further develop my skills in database and organizational management.
So, what is your greatest strength?
My greatest strength is my strong organizational and management skills. For the management student association, I successfully coordinated design class for my team, ensuring the smooth execution of our work programs. This experience has gained my ability to manage multiple tasks as efficiently.
What about your greatest weakness?
My greatest weakness is that I tend to be a perfectionist, which can sometimes slow down my work as I strive for flawlessness. However, I have been working on balancing this by setting more realistic goals and focusing on productivity without compromising the quality of my work.
Why should we hire you?
You should hire me because I bring a blend of academic knowledge and practical organizational experience. I have a proven track record of managing administrative tasks efficiently and leading design projects that support organizational goals. My ability to work well in a team and my strong communication skills make me a valuable asset to the company.
What are your salary expectations?
My primary goal is to find a position that matches my skill and allows me to grow professionally. Based on my research and the industry standards, I am open to discussing a fair salary that reflects my experience and responsibilities of the role.
Why do you want this job?
I am excited about this job because it offers the opportunity to apply my skill in financial management and administration in a professional setting. I am particularly drawn to your company because of its reputation for innovation and excellence in the industry. I am eager to contribute to your team and grow within the company.
How do you handle stress and pressure?
I handle stress and pressure by staying organized and maintaining a positive attitude. For example, during my job, I manage multiple administrative tasks and deadlines by creating a detailed schedule and prioritizing my work. This approach allows me to stay calm and focused, ensuring the successful execution of the event.